David Moorhouse. But it's the residents after that which prove the most intriguing. Frederick Lewis, a commercial traveller, and his wife
You lost it.
Louisa,
Find
who
it. Where did
arrived
you
at
lose
number
it?
5 in 1930. Next time, we follow their son Walter on the run from the law. There's a resident who lives by the local